grilled cheese sandwich without asking your parents. Good. We're gonna take the bread and put it in the toaster. Set the toaster about 3 or 2. I'll do 3. Now just wait. Don't forget to put your stuff up.
You know what?
I just took a piece of cheese off.
Okay.
There you go. Finish. Put the piece of cheese on one piece of the bread. On top. Put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Make it stop. Let it stop at 20, and check it. If it's not if the cheese is not melted all the way, you can warm it up for 10 more seconds. A grilled cheese sandwich.
What you about to make?
A grilled cheese sandwich.
Like she did?
Yeah.
Oh, so easy. Little sister can do it.
Now while I do that, I'm gonna get my cheese. Now I'm going to put the cheese on one of my breads.
For how long? So you're gonna let this count down to 10. Press start.
This one?
Now,
Good enough.
see if it's melted. Perfect.
Grilled cheese sandwich. Extra cheesy.